Good morning. This is a recording for Sunday, March 3rd. The essay from Mark Nepo's Book of Awakening that I'm going to read for you today is titled Our Essential Clearness. As always, we're going to do a short meditative reflection afterwards. Like clouds moving in water, problems make me forget that I am clear. Water reflects everything it encounters. This is so commonplace that we think water is blue, when in fact it has no color. Amazingly, while soft and flowing, water, as ocean or lake, or even as the smallest puddle of rain, takes on the image of the entire world without ever losing its essential clearness. Of course, it's not so easy for us. As emotional beings, we are constantly losing ourselves in the image of everything we experience. But nonetheless, the nature of water can help us understand our very human struggles. I began, like so many of us, in a household where it was somehow my job to be the lightning rod for the family's tensions of unexpressed emotions. In this way, I learned to be a problem solver, a rescuer, a caretaker. Through 2 marriages and countless friendships, I loved by taking on the clouded emotions of those I loved. The tension of other people's unexpressed emotions kept me from feeling my own depth and clarity. My life became one of turbulence, always struggling to keep my head above the cloudy surface. But the water, the glorious water everywhere, has taught me that we are more than what we reflect or love. This is the work of compassion, to embrace everything clearly without imposing who we are and without losing who we are. It is, to be sure, an endless and impossible task. But though we can never be as clear as water, it helps to remember that while the very real problems we face are the living things we must handle, they are not the essential current of our lives. Beneath the clouds, water desires only to flow, and beneath our tensions and problems, the human spirit wants only to embrace and soften. Take a comfortable position, and as always, take a few moments to settle. Settle into your body, your heart, your mind. Settle into this moment, right here, right now. Your breath nice and soft, completely natural. See if you can find a sense of spaciousness, a sense of freedom in your breathing, so that all the experiences of the present moment flow through you as energy that they are, without struggle. Now reflect back on a time when a loved one voiced their frustration, disappointment, or pain. What was your reaction then? Were you problem solving or accepting what they're saying? Were you trying to cheer them up or bear witness to their experience? Were you left holding their pain or feeling deepened for what was shared? Next time when this sort of things happens again, see if you can receive this pain as if it were a stone dropped into the clear, moving depth of who you are. And notice how it lands for you. Now place your hands on your heart. And as always, send the energy of loving kindness to yourself. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I know deep, natural peace. And as you gently let go of your practice, scan your body. Notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you, really? As you go through your day today, I invite you to pay attention to your reactions when somebody you care for voices their frustration, disappointment, or pain. And see if you can receive their pain, bearing witness to it, without trying to problem solve or cheer them up. Receive it as if it were a stone, dropped into the clear, moving depth of who you really are. As always, enjoy your discoveries. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a gorgeous day, and I will see you tomorrow.